Puerto Princesa. Ayan. So ito yung biyahe namin with Biyaheros, with Ate Vicky. Siya po yung sumundo sa amin dito. So magki-caving kami, underground cave. And then after that, we're going El Nido if I'm not mistaken, and the last trip will be in Coron. Ayan. So katatapos lang namin ang first activity namin, which is yung pasigsag-sigsag na kalsada for 2 hours, but that was fun. And then ayan, ang next activity ay
hi! Underground river cruise.
Alright.
Baka ma-off balance kayo.
Uy, yeah. Ayun nga. Kasasabi lang eh.
Off balance ka, Jared? Oh my God.
Good job, Jared. Oh my gosh. Yan, ganyan mo lang. Oh my gosh, Jared. So ayun, after like 15-20 minutes hike, nandito na kami sa area ng zipline. At nandito si Manong, ang aming
Kagasot po ng harness.
alright. Tangiran yan. Ayan, busog na ako. Busog na busog. Kaya ngayon naman ay third activity, which is underground river.